Schwa. I'm sure you've heard about this sound. It's the most famous sound in English, and it even has a proper name, schwa. But how is it produced? What do we need to do to produce it? Well, actually, you shouldn't do anything, because to produce schwa, our articulators should hardly move. So it's not a, e, o, but it's a. It's very neutral. Your mouth hardly opens, and it's very short. So it's not but okay? Now, the problem about schwa is that its appearance is very unexpected, and it tends to be hidden behind very different spellings. The most important issue about schwa is that it appears in unstressed position, what in Spanish we say posición no acentuada. Take a look at these words, which Spanish and Catalan speakers tend to mispronounce because of precisely schwa. Actor, famous, focus, consider. So we shouldn't say actor, famous, consider, and focus. So again, we should produce a schwa in the unstressed syllables. Again, actor, famous, consider, focus. The shen endings tend to be quite problematic for us. We tend to say imagination, consideration, but that final vowel is always a schwa. So we should make an effort to say imagination, shin, consideration, and not shon. No lip rounding in the vowel, but shin, shin. Okay? Now, schwa also appears in short words, which are called grammatical words, such as prepositions or auxiliary verbs, as in the following examples. We were going to the cinema. We were going to the cinema. So it's not we were going to the cinema, but we were going to the cinema. The second example, it was a letter for Mary. It was a letter for Mary. It was a letter for Mary. It was a letter for. It was a letter for Mary. It was a letter for Mary. Very good.